Partition each whole into fifths. So I'm going to cut the number line between 0 and 1 into 5 parts and 1 to 2 into 5 parts. Now I'm going to label each fraction. 0 is the same as 0 fifths, and I will count up 1 fifth, 2 fifths, 3 fifths, 4 fifths, 5 fifths, 6 fifths, 7 fifths, 8 fifths, 9 fifths, 10 fifths. Now I'm going to box the fractions that are located at the same points as whole numbers. 0 equals 0 fifths, 1 equals 5 fifths, 2 equals 10 fifths. I will draw pizzas to check my work. 0 pizzas, 1 pizza, 2 pizzas. I will cut the 1 pizza into 5 equal parts and the 2 pizzas into 5 equal parts. Now I will count the parts to make sure they equal what I have written. 3, 4, 5, 5 fifths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 fifths.